Hello students, today we are going to discuss the mole concept of non-metal and compounds. I told you, non-metal and compounds contain molecules as the structural units. Non-metals and compounds contain molecules as the structural units. Therefore, one mole non-metal or compound, one mole non-metal or compound is defined as, basically this is the weight of Avogadro number of molecules. Weight of Avogadro number of molecules. I told you previously, non-metals and compounds have molecules as the structural units. This is also equal to 1 gram molecular weight. This is also known as 1 gram mole. 1 gram mole. This is also known as 1 gram molecule. 1 gram molecule. 1 gram molecule. Now vapors of this contain vapors of 22.4 liters at STP. Now I repeat once again. 1 mole non-metal is taken as weight of Avogadro number of molecules, 1 gram molecular weight, 1 gram mole or 1 gram molecule, and also we say 1 gram formula weight. Formula weight is applied for ionic compounds. This is the mole concept of non-metals and molecules. For example, I am taking 1 mole, the compound. What is the compound? I am taking sodium hydroxide. First of all, I calculate the gram molecular weight of sodium hydroxide. Sodium number 11, atomic number 11, weight is double plus 1, 23. Oxygen 8, double, hydrogen that is fixed 1. Totally it has a weight of how much? 40. So 1 mole sodium hydroxide is nothing but 40 grams of sodium hydroxide. This is the weight of 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. This is also known as 1 gram molecular weight. This is also taken as 1 gram formula weight, or it is also taken as 1 gram molecule. Next, it is also defined as 1 gram mole. 1 gram mole. Finally, if we take vapors, the vapors of how much? 22.4 liters at STP. I repeat once again. 1 mole NaOH. You know, sodium hydroxide is the compound. Compound has molecules. So the formula weight of sodium hydroxide is 40 grams. 40 grams of sodium hydroxide, weight of Avogadro number of molecules. This is also defined as 1 gram molecular weight or 1 gram formula weight or 1 gram molecule or 1 gram mole, or it contains vapors of 22.4 liters at STP. Similarly, I define a non-metal like, let us say, oxygen gas. I told you the elements which ends with gen are diatomic. What is the formula weight of oxygen? Oxygen weight is 16, another oxygen 16, totally 32 grams is the gram molecular weight of oxygen. Now how can I define this one? That is 1 mole oxygen. 1 mole oxygen is taken as 32 grams of oxygen. 32 grams of oxygen. Weight of Avogadro number of molecules. It is also known as gram molecular weight or gram mole or gram molecule or gram formula weight or vapors of 22.4 liters at STP. Similarly, if I take sulfuric acid, 1 mole sulfuric acid, I am taking 1 mole sulfuric acid. Now first of all, better to calculate gram molecular weight of sulfuric acid. Hydrogen weight 1, hydrogen weight 1, sulfur weight 32, 4 oxygens, each one 4 into 16 means 64. Totally we get 98. So 98 grams of sulfuric acid is taken as 1 mole. It is the weight of Avogadro number of molecules. It is equal to gram molecular weight. It is equal to gram formula weight. It is also equal to gram molecule. It is also defined as 1 gram mole. Now the vapors of sulfuric acid contain 22.4 liters of volume at STP. This is the mole concept of non-metals and compounds. Okay, thank you.